Bobby, Bobby, Bobby!
Hey guys, so today we're going to be making an acai bowl 3 different ways. The first way is going to be the berry acai bowl, which you see everywhere in restaurants. Second will be the protein packed bowl, and the third will be a tropical bowl. Acai is a superfood that's also very versatile meal, snack. You could eat it for breakfast or dessert or as a snack during the day. It's also great because you can put whatever toppings you want on it. I don't know about you guys, but it's heating up here in LA and it's just like the perfect daytime snack. So let's get started. watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. And leave a comment below and tell us how yours turned out and what you'd like to try in the future. Okay, bye!